So this is one of the biggest raids where we were able to rescue 63 children. We have been attacked there 2 times. This man was a hardcore criminal. When I started my fight against child slavery, nobody was talking about it, nobody was knowing about it. He said, kill these people, kill these people. And I could not hold my emotions. I broke down, I started crying.
He's the Nobel Prize winner who is taking on the mafia.
They're selling these kids to you like they're selling a car. There's more people enslaved today than ever before in the history of the world. Jesus Christ, that's insane.
Almost 170 million children are working worldwide.
A child disappears every 8 minutes.
This is the fastest growing criminal enterprise.
Slavery has not abolished in 19th century.
United States, we are the #1 consumers of child exploitation materials.
Holy sh**. This is a major problem going on in the world.
They're protecting the innocence of children from these monsters.
Every single child should be free to be a child. I carry the burden on my shoulder. My colleagues have faith in my mission, but they also have faith in my leadership. All of them have heard the stories of Dhum Das. But they still trust me.
His colleague Dhum Das was trying to organize a march to end child slavery. But the slave owners were there to stop him.
When I arrived, it was chaos. Blood on the street. Everyone was crying. And then I found him. Dhum Das was beaten to death. I had to carry his body on my shoulder.
Kailash is a veteran of many raids to rescue children, but this one is especially dangerous.
These people are very strong people, mafia, and if they come to know in advance that we are going to rescue children, then they prepare with arms and become violent.
निकलो बेटा, बाहर निकलो। चलो हम तुम्हारे साथ में, चलो आ जाओ। चलो चलो चलो। हाँ उधर देखिए। निकलो बेटा, बाहर निकलो। निकलो सारे के सारे। निकलो निकलो सारे के सारे।
I still feel that I carry the burden of the body of Dhum Das on my shoulder. Slavery has not abolished in 19th century. It exists in its cruelest forms today, now in the world. Millions of children are sold and bought like animals, trapped into mining and factories and farms and fields and houses.
Traffickers are quite smart people. They move around, they identify certain areas, and they successfully bring the children and sell them out to different places.
Each time a child is rescued, a person gets prosecuted. And each time a person gets prosecuted, we make a bunch of new enemies.
नमस्ते।
एक लड़का गायब है, तो उसका जो सोनू उसका नाम है।
तो ये अभी अच्छा ये बताओ बच्चे की उम्र क्या है अभी?
ये मेरा भाई सोनू है। 12 में।
दलाल का नाम जो है सो आलिया रसूल है।
आलिया रसूल।
Trust me, if Sonu is alive anywhere on this earth, I'm going to find him.
To find Sonu, Kailash must go undercover into a child trafficker's factory.
This boy has been missing for last 7 months. Sonu has been trafficked to Delhi for one of
Who
the...
took him?
This trafficker, whose name is Ali Rasool. So
And the child has been taken to Delhi.
Taken to Delhi.
Do you have any clue where is he working now?
Turkman Gate.
Acha. This is dangerous area.
Yeah, this is a dangerous area. That's what the thing is. So
We have been attacked there 2 times. This man was a hardcore criminal. He said, kill these people, kill these people.
Broken hand? We really don't know. Let's go. Broken leg. We need to go immediately.
The raid failed.
And now, in order to rescue Sonu, Kailash must put his own life at risk and enter into the same place where his colleague Dhumdas was murdered.
Without wasting time, swiftly find the children there. चलो ना सबको आगे निकालो ना सबको चलो 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 जल्दी घुसो तुम लोग यार घुसो जाओ अपनी अपनी गाड़ियों में घुसो
पुलिस वाला
जब कुछ है नहीं तो बंद क्यों कर दिया? लेकिन अभी तो हमें नजर आ रहे थे।
चाहे इन लोगों बच्चों से
एक लड़का था बेटा वो कहाँ है?
सब इस पर आ गए। रुको। इस वाले पर आ जाओ भाई, इस पर आओ ऊपर। इस पर आओ यार, इस बिल्डिंग में आ दोनों में।
कहाँ है? आ जाओ बेटे डरो मत।
अरे इधर इधर। हेलो हेलो चल चल चल। तख्त के नीचे लो। वो तीनों को ले लो।
रुक जाओ यहीं पे।
क्या लोगे बेटा?
तो जोर से बोलो। और जोर से बोलो। And I am so pleased, so happy, and so fulfilled that Sonu is now living with his mother. No problem in the world is born without solution. Solution lies in the womb of the problem itself. One has to be a little bit smart, a little bit compassionate, a little bit courageous. I have seen children who lost their hopes, but now they are freeing other children. Desperate mothers sending their children to schools. I'm not going to stop fighting for changing the laws. But we cannot end child labor unless we all demand it. I am angry about it. Be angry against slavery and think and then act. I call upon you to be change makers. History is never written by those who just sit and clap at the fans. History is written by those who jump in the ring without caring they will lose or succeed. You need not to look outside. There is a leader inside you. I always say that don't look heroes and worship them outside. There is a hero inside each one of you.